Okay, and just going to show you real quick how I set up my controls and toggles and all that. I ended up using SV Mapper, a little bit easier to use than, well, not easier to use, but it just worked for me. Joy to key is good, and it's simple as well, but I was still having troubles mapping some of the toggles out. So, the parking brakes is what I had the most issue with. And I have those set up to the red button, obviously. So I got it set right now as it dropped. The trailer's dropped. Let's get a good view here. Go around this side. Okay. So when I push the red button in, just gonna wind the dolly legs, hook up the lines, and vice versa. It will work, no problem, but if you start pushing and pulling these real quick, it's going to send too many signals and it's just going to screw up. So if you just, don't screw around with it too much, just press it and that's it. The other one was inside. The ignition is good. That's all good. And the yellow button. I got it screwed up here. If it screws up, you just kind of reset it. Something you can't get around, unfortunately, but it is what it is. Okay. So, these ones here, just the trailer brake. I didn't have to do that one, probably never use it, but I did it anyways. The Jake brake there, cruise control, which you can't do right now. Obviously, this one here is the lift axle for the trailer, which means I have to hook this up to show you. Pull over here real quick. Okay, and that one there is my lift axle. Alrighty. And these three push buttons are the little small push buttons down below. I set those to this one here's the wipers. Very simple, just like you would do on the keyboard, right? The four ways and the beacons. Down here, kind of like the utility, enter or activate. These two here at the top are just for the GPS. Quick little, the toggle rather, and the zoom, whatever you want to call it. And the two bottom ones is just for the top mirrors. Oops. The top mirrors there. And the last one is for your truck adjustments. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's finally done. It's all working. I stopped playing this game for probably 3 weeks or so because I didn't want to play it a lot because I do like this game a lot and I drive in real life, so I didn't want to burn myself out on it before I had a chance to use this. And next up would be a shifter, the Eaton style shifter. And that's about it for now. So thanks for watching.